How to use Instagram Map. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram app is updated to its latest version in order to be able to use all features that Instagram offers. Now, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your DM icon on the top right of your screen and then look for a map icon at the top right corner. You will then see a friend map view which shows friends who have shared location with you. So you can simply see that when you enable map, you will be able to catch up with your friends and see what's around you. You can also discover places and post. And you can also choose if you want to share your location with your friends. So tap on the next option and then select if you want to share your location with your friends, close friends, or simply with no one. Tap on done, and with this you will now be sharing location with your friends. You can also tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then disable the sharing live location anytime you want. Now, in order to use the map further, you can tap on the search bar there and then type in a place and then tap on the view map option and you will see the pins for posts or reels shared publicly with that particular location tag. You can also tap a pin to view those posts or reels. And if you have enabled friend map, you will see each other's avatar on the map. So this is how you can use Instagram Map. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.